Hello husband friends, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. My name is David, and on today, as you guys can see by the title of this video, it's going to be a propagation box method sphagnum moss. I don't even know what you call it, but it's basically propagating a plant or a cutting or a stem on a box that has sphagnum moss inside. Any doesn't even matter what type of moss it is. I ended up using Spanish moss, but Spanish sphagnum, I don't even know what the hell you call it. There's just too many names. My brain is like not here right now. I need my coffee. But it's a really fun way to propagate plants. You're basically mimicking a greenhouse, and this video was going to be exclusive for Patreon, but I got a really nasty DM, one or two of them, and I ended up deactivating my Patreon account, so but anywho, the propagations are still there, and there is so many things happening, and it's really funny because like in the beginning there was no roots, there was nothing happening at all, and then within a week, like after 7 days or 6 days, I just saw so many roots, and I'm just so excited to share them with you guys. And some things that I noticed, not I was gonna say learn, but some things that I noticed about what was happening, like an experiment, I guess. But yeah, so without any further ado, let's just get started. This is the box that I'm using. I got it from Family Dollar or Dollar General. I'm not even sure. Anyway, that's cheap because you just need the box, and it's just a box. I think I paid $5 for it, but let's open it. There is no hose in the container, so it's really humid in here. But even then, it doesn't. I don't see no moss. I don't see no, like, mold developing. I thought there was some mold developing, but there wasn't really any. It was just really wet. But as you guys can see, I just ended up placing this over here. The mother plant was putting out babies, and this was one of them, and I ended up plugging it out, and I put it in some moss, and I'm gonna let it root. It already had roots, but I just wanted it to be like in a really nice humid environment so I can push out more new growth, because I noticed that these girlies really do appreciate high humidity and bright indirect light. But as you guys can see, I have some Addisonii, philodendron micans, a beautiful begonia, black Caesar reverend plants, polka dotted begonia, raindrop peperonia, some more Addisonii, a beautiful begonia, this pepperoni, I don't know if I said it already, and some silver satin pothos. All this in this small container. I did ended up making another container, but I don't, it had a lot of holes on top, and I guess that was just not helping at all. But I hope the audio is not getting like messed up, because like I'm like right at the bottom of the ceiling fan. But yeah, so let's start looking at some roots. Again, like I said, this is just a little baby that I plucked from the mother plants, and I'm really hoping that I can like grow and thrive. But let me show you some exciting things. So this is the Addisonii, or Swiss cheese plant. As you guys can see, there's some roots. It's already been 2 weeks, and I'm honestly debating on already like putting these in soil. I might make it into a video. If you guys want to see that, let me know, or I might just put it in this video, because I'm really busy today. I got some things that I gotta do, but if I have time, I'll like pot these up already, because I think they're ready. I see like a lot of roots happening, and I don't want it to get too long, because then it will transfer shock. I think when the roots are way too developed, like in water or in this, I feel like when you put it in soil, they shock, like they're like, what is this? Unless you put a little bit of this in the soil, which that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But here's a polka dotted begonia, the most exciting one out of all of them, because I really do love this plant, and the leaves are just perfect in my eyes, and they're just so beautiful. There's a new leaf popping up right there, and do y'all see this? I keep saying I'm gonna cut my nails, but I haven't gotten the time. Look at that. There's some roots happening, and like that is so much fun. I don't know if it's ready. I'm probably gonna give it more time in this box, but that is so pretty. Here is the what do you got? Silver satin pothos. Oh, okay, that's a little air root developing right there. So pretty. Here's the other one. Let's see how she looks. Not that much happening. Let me show y'all this variegated peperonia. This is literally insane. Like, what? So much fun. I really want this one to propagate, and I think I was seeing some roots. Oh, there is. Look at those roots, you guys. I'm so excited to propagate this plant. Oh my god, I cannot wait. The Black ZZ was an experiment. I'm not sure if it's really gonna root, but if it does, I'll be really shocked. Trying to get it to focus. I think do y'all see roots? Are those roots or no? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I forgot. I also ended up placing some Cebu Blues in here. Little air roots getting longer. The range of peperonia. I'm just like moving them around. I'm probably gonna need to like reorganize everything. But oh my god, this Adisonia is just getting very. Oh, what was that? Oh. Okay, so maybe I should be a little bit more careful. But look at the philodendron micans, you guys. This is like the most ugliest leaf because I was like, if it doesn't work, it's fine. On this cutting because it was so ugly, I didn't really care. But do y'all see this? That is so cool. It's putting out like a little roots, which means I'm gonna get a new free philodendron micans plant. I swear I saw a range up. Here's another range of peperonia cutting. Some roots happening. You'll see the roots. That's fun. Put that back. Okay, let's put this one over here as well. That one's right there. We already saw it. Let's look at this one. Oh, yeah, okay, I see roots as well. Or it's just the stems that are hairy, or no, I think they're roots. So some of these are, you know, very heavy in roots, like the variegated peperonia, and others are starting to develop. Like I think this one's starting to develop some roots. I do have it on my southwest facing window. Well, no, this is a south facing window. It's not southwest, it's south. But yeah, so this is all that's happening in the propagation box with sphagnum moss inside. And I don't know, I'm just really excited to see what happens, and I would like to propagate more plants. This video is too short, so I'm probably gonna give you guys some updates on what's going on. I'm gonna put this back up later. Oh, by the way, this was my string of hearts that I ended up taking some pictures, and I was so happy because there was some propagations that I did from the mother plant by the butterfly method. And here's the mother plant getting super long. And the greenhouse ended up collapsing. I don't know if I already told you guys, but the greenhouse collapsed. I don't want to talk about it right now because like I'm not ready for that right now. But oh my god, like I mean, I think it's gonna do fine. I'm gonna water it later, because just in case some like stems like snapped off or some roots snapped off, I don't know. I'm gonna let everything callus and then I'll give it a good soak of water. Here is my experiment, and I think this one, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's getting too much light. Okay, but let me show y'all the roots. There's a lot of, do y'all see the roots? Isn't that crazy? Like it's ready to like, you know, pot up already, but I kind of want it to be on water like for the rest of its life. And this is just some licking bamboo, by the way. Ooh, hello. And I mean, that's literally it that's going on. I need to clean my room and organize some things. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully I can see you tomorrow. Bye.